In this video, I'm going to show you how to recycle a suction catheter kit. It's clear on the bottom, it's the top. These are the items needed to recycle it. This is a copy someone's made of a wrapper to put on there, and that's okay too, because sometimes these get ripped and damaged. So you'll need a pack of sterile gloves, the suction catheter, and the packaging. So the important notes for these is to make sure that there is no liquid in here, no water. Make sure it's dried out. Also make sure the tubing has been suctioned out and there's not a lot of standing water inside the tubing. Once you have dried out the container and made sure the tubing is dry, place the suction catheter in the container and then place the sterile gloves on top of it. Once the sterile gloves are in place, you just add some double-sided tape around the edges and seal everything shut, and then you have a completed suction kit.